Hello everybody! Welcome back to our channel. Hello Twincess Sofie. Hello Twincess Ambie. Today we're gonna make pizza pan. So we're using these hot dog buns, and we had some spaghetti sauce in our fridge, so we're using it for our pizza sauce. So we have some ham, put on top, let it cheese. So that's all. Let's get started. So I'm gonna take one, and don't forget to watch and learn. Okay, I'm gonna take it up, put it in there, and then spread it. Just like a pizza. Yummy. That looks delicious. I'm just going to keep spreading it until it gets covered with the spaghetti sauce. Okay, a little bit more in there. Over here. So make sure the sauce doesn't drip into the pot. So I'm going to put this over here and set it aside. So we're done. Now we are going to put some ham to put on the top. Anyways, it looks really good. Yum. That looks delicious. Yep, it does. I'm pretty hungry. So I'm going to put more ham in my pizza pan. Then I'm going to sprinkle it with cheese in case if you want to. So I'm also going to make one like my sister is. Oops, dripping right now. I'm going to wipe it. Sister, can I have this? Careful. Anyways, don't forget to wash your hands before you make pizza pan. Okay, done. And none of the ham, that's really lots of ham in it. Then I'm going to sprinkle some cheese because I like cheese. And my sister only likes a little bit only. So I'm going to sprinkle it more. I like doing this. This is fun.
It looks yummy already and smells good too. Twincess Sofie and Ambie.
It's so yummy. Mine is done.
Are you excited to eat that later?
Yeah?
Is that for you or for your brother?
Me. I like it.
Why don't you make one for your brother too?
It looks like a pizza right now.
I know. Wow, it's colorful.
Wow.
I like the colors and how
it's really
you
nice.
Spread the ham, the
Now
cheese.
I'm gonna do
What kind of cheese is that, Ambie?
Shredded cheese, and I think it's also...
I think it's mozzarella.
Yeah,
mozzarella and cheddar cheese.
I'm gonna make another one
Good
now.
combination.
Yep. Okay.
So you're doing your second pizza pan?
Yeah, and I'm gonna be done because I'm more faster than my sister
Because you started it first.
Yeah. So I was first.
How's your pizza pan, Twincess Sofie? Wow. You don't like too much cheese, right? That's not much cheese. I think you can make one for your brother.
They can make one for a daddy.
Okay.
So can I have this? Okay, I'm done. So I'm done doing my sauce. Now I'm gonna put the ham again, just like how I did. Oh, that's a lot of sauce. Just carefully put it in the pizza pan. You can put it in any spot.
You can add more on the on top of the
saucy
bread. Oopsie. It's okay.
At least I didn't break it, but I almost did.
Uh-oh.
Now I'm gonna put some cheese.
Maybe more cheese because your brother loves cheese.
I am gonna put more cheese.
Yeah, it's generous.
Just like mine.
I think you can add more, Ambie.
much cheese. I think my brother will really like it if it's too much.
He loves cheese. Add some more, Ambie.
Okay. One more.
You can cover it with cheese actually.
Okay, I'm gonna cover it.
And it will really melt and it will really taste and look so good and yummy.
I think that's enough. I'm making this for my mom.
Is that for me, Sofie? Yay.
Oh, Jane has the most cheese.
You can add some more.
Jane has the most cheese.
That's too little.
I'm done with my pizza pan. It looks really nice and yummy. And that's it. So we're gonna put in the pan, and our mommy's gonna help us to put it in the oven because we don't want to get burned. So that's why. So that's it. And it's easy peasy on pizza pan. And now we are gonna put the oven. So now we're done. Our mommy can put in the oven. And I'm so excited to eat it. And it really smells good and lots of cheese in them. So I'm excited. Yay! Mom, can you put this in the oven?
For sure. Let me have it now, okay?
Okay.
Let me put it inside the oven. Just wait, okay?
Okay. Wow.
Here you go.
That looks
Twincess, Sofie, and
delicious.
Ambie, fresh from the oven.
Thank
Your
you,
pizza
Mom.
pan.
Thank you, Mom.
Still hot, hot, hot. Okay, we can cool it a little. Cool it first, and then let me get it for you. Smells good, right?
That's mine.
Yeah, less cheese for Sofie,
That's me.
and yours is a little more cheese for Ambie. We'll save this one for your brother and for Dad. Why don't you try it?
I like it. Oh, I like it. I think it's cool enough that we can try it. Bon appetit! And voila! It's delicious. I'm gonna take a big bite from it. It's so delicious. I'm good. More for what? Tastes so good. It's masala. I like thumbs up. Hey, bye, sister. This is great, guys. You should taste it. It really tastes good. I hope you enjoy, everybody. It's very easy, guys, and it's really simple. And you should try it at home because it's pretty easy for us. Thank you for watching our video. Bye. Thanks for watching. So we are going to continue eating the pizza pan with our family. And thanks for watching our video. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos. And thanks for watching.